So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it, and then click on yes, and now this will come up. And now once you're on this, you can follow everything that I'll be doing up here. So first you want to expand history current user, and now you want to expand software, and now you want to expand Microsoft, and now you want to expand Windows. We're going to scroll down till we find Windows. You want to expand that. I'm going to make this a bit bigger, and now you want to expand current version, and now you want to expand Explorer, and now you want to click on user shell folders. We're going to scroll down till we find user shell folders. You want to click on that, and now this will appear on the right side. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. Make sure that you're now in the user shell folders folder. And then once you're on this, if we look down below in the description, there's going to be this right here. You must make sure that all of this is the same as this. For example, for desktop, if we look under data next to desktop, it's going to be user profile desktop, and it shows it right here. Again, for favorites, user profile favorites, user profile favorites. If this says anything else, so for example, if I double click on desktop, this will come up. Let's say that it just has some random numbers or something. You want to change the value data to what's going to be down below in the description. So this right here. I'm going to copy this and then paste it right here, and then click on OK. So you want to make sure that all of this is the same. Desktop user profile is the same as this right here for desktop. Same for favorites. Same for music, user profile music, and then music, user profile music. So just make sure that everything here is the same as here. Now once you do all of that, for the last step, you just want to restart your computer, and this should now fix your problem.